Welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a huge step forward in making AI a true partner in scientific research. We know AI can process tons of data, but a huge part of science isn't just about numbers, it's about visualization. Human scientists constantly create graphs and plots to see if they're on the right track, but this has been a major blind spot for AI. This paper introduces an AI system that can finally do just that. Look at a plot and think like a scientist. The core idea is to use a special AI called a Vision Language Model, or VLM, as an expert judge. As you can see in this figure, a team of coding AIs might make a first attempt at plotting some data, and it can come out completely wrong. Instead of just failing, the VLM plot judge analyzes the image and compares it to a list of scientific expectations. It identifies the problems, like the peaks being in the wrong place or the values being way too high. The system then enters a self-correction loop, where another AI acts as a plot debugger to find the error in the code. After just one pass, the engineering AIs fix the code, and the second attempt is now scientifically accurate. This whole process happens automatically, without any human intervention. But what's even more exciting is when the plot isn't wrong, but just shows something unexpected. This is where the system switches into discovery mode. Instead of flagging an error, the VLM recognizes a scientifically interesting anomaly that doesn't fit the current hypothesis. It then automatically designs a series of new experiments to investigate this anomaly. In a case study involving astrochemistry, the AI was given data that didn't fit a simple model. The VLM noticed a strange dip in the center of the plot and proposed 5 alternative models to test. It then ran all 5 experiments, compared the results, and correctly identified the more complex, underlying physical model that explained the new data. Another case study showed the system correcting a complex plot about the early universe after finding a single scaling error in the code. So, does this new approach actually work better? The results are pretty clear. Systems without any feedback loop only succeeded on these discovery tasks about 20 to 30% of the time. Even advanced systems that could reason about text and statistics only got it right about half the time. But the systems using a VLM to visually inspect the plots achieved an impressive success rate of 70 to 80%. So, let's quickly recap the important points. Researchers have built a multi-agent AI system where one AI acts as a visual judge, evaluating plots just like a human would. This allows the system to not only correct its own mistakes in real time, but also to spot unexpected anomalies in the data. When it finds something interesting, it can launch its own exploratory investigation to understand what's going on. The implications for the future are massive. This is a major step toward creating autonomous AI scientists that can work alongside humans, tirelessly searching through data for the next big discovery.